Today I'm going to show you how I made $1,284 in a single day with CPA marketing and Instagram influencers. Hey guys, my name is Damien Black, and before I get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future valuable videos like this one I'm about to show you today. So before I get started, I just want to mention my CPA Mastery course is still at a 50% discount rate.
Say what?
And the strategy I'm about to show you today is exactly step by step in the course. Okay, so Instagram influencers. I'm going to be adding Instagram influencers and CPA marketing this weekend. So right now is your time to hop on the course and get instant access. Okay, I'm going to be revealing in the course exactly how to drive enormous amounts of traffic to a single offer and make thousands, hundreds of dollars per day, okay? Just like I made yesterday. And so without further ado, make sure to grab the course and let me get started right now, okay? So, CPA marketing, Instagram influencers, what are the pros? Well, obviously, if you find a good offer, if you find the good influencers, you can have massive success, okay? Just like my students, like for example, this guy, or this is another example of my students, or example of a payment of my own like you see on screen right now. Okay, so this is all from Instagram influencers, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what I did exactly was I went into search campaigns, okay? I went into search campaigns, and what I did, I clicked on search options, I clicked United States, okay? United States of America. I put in email submits because email submits are really easy to convert with Instagram influencers, okay? So all the person has to do is click on my landing page and simply enter their email address on the offer page, and that's when I get paid, okay? So what I did next, I sorted the offers by EPC, okay? EPC. And what I did is I went over a couple of these offers and I checked one by one, okay? And the one I chose to promote, the one that fell into my eye, the one I liked the most was, sorry, not email submits, sweepstakes. It's still an email submit, but I just made a quick mistake. Okay, so sweepstakes, okay? I sorted by EPC and I went over these. Now, I liked this brand new rewards USA Fortnite Bucks single opt-in offer, but it's only request approval Tron. So I really just wasn't bothered signing up. I didn't want to wait. So all I did was I searched further. Everyday winner giveaway 500 daily email submit. I checked out this one, but I didn't really like the way it was too broad. Okay, so it's just a giveaway of some random stuff. So I didn't choose this offer. Now the one I chose to promote was the National Consumer Center, the Forever 21 $100 gift card, because this is pretty hot. Okay, so if you don't guys know, Forever 21 is a fashion store. It's very popular. It's one of the most popular fashion stores on the internet. Okay, Forever 21, Fashion Over, and so on. And the reason I chose this offer is because it has a $240 per lead payout. You can run 300 actions per day. It's United States. It allows social media traffic, and the network EPC is 24 cents. So what I essentially did, I went 24 cents divided by 240. So I quickly checked out the conversion rate of this offer, and I can see right now that the conversion rate of this offer is 10%. So if I send 10% US traffic to this landing page, I'm gonna get if I send 100 clicks to this landing page, I'm gonna get 10 conversions, okay? And out of 10 conversions, I'm gonna make about $24, okay? So that's pretty good. And the next thing I did is I built a landing page, okay? I built a simple landing page based around this, okay? Just a simple click-through landing page. I'm not going to be showing it in this video because I want to show you the ad, what I did, okay? But it's just literally I mostly copied this landing page. I put a little button in the center of the web page, and so they literally just click through, they land on the offer page, and they enter their email. Okay, just simple. If you guys are watching me, if you have been watching me for some time, guys, right now, you know that the landing pages I build are really simple. Okay, so if you don't know how to do that, I have more videos on my channel explaining how to build a landing page, so make sure to watch that. Okay, so I also looked at the search restrictions, but since we're using Instagram influencers, we are all good. Okay, we're not going to be using PPC keywords, none of that good stuff. So we're going to be using Instagram influencers. And what I like about Instagram influencers is that they're going to bring you a lot of traffic in a short period of time. Okay, so this is a story post and this is a normal post. So when you're going to reach out to an influencer, okay, and they're going to post an ad, okay, they're going to post my ad like this on their story, and they're going to add a quick swipe up. Let me see if this influencer has a swipe up somewhere. Okay, they don't. But basically all they do is they add a swipe up, okay? I send them the link to the landing page, and that's where the magic happens, okay? So it's really simple stuff. Now what I did, guys, I tested 7 influencers, okay? So since this is Forever 21, since this is a fashion store and it's a free $100 voucher, I made this simple ad in Photoshop. Guys, you don't need to use Photoshop. You can use Canva, okay? Canva is completely free to use. You can literally hop onto Canva and build a simple ad like this, okay? All I did was I did a gradient, a black and a pink gradient. I dragged it up so you can see the colors changing. I added a picture in the center, so I literally went to Google. I typed in Forever 21 $100 voucher. I copied the image into my Photoshop. I added a stroke of blue, okay, like this. Let me show you guys. I added a stroke of blue. So this is the stroke, okay. I added a glow, so it stands out. And I literally just typed, who wants to win a $100 gift card? ? Giveaway and soon, scarcity, enter now, scarcity again. Swipe up, okay? Simple. And it's good looking, guys, okay? This is a good looking ad. And majority of the people are gonna swipe up because this is a attention grabbing ad, okay? It's really nice looking. The colors are well put together. And that's why this will convert very well. Okay, so the next thing is the traffic. Since we have an offer, we have a landing page, and we have an ad, now we have to get the traffic to our funnel, our little CPA funnel, okay? So, Forever 21 is a clothing, makeup, fashion brand. It's a fashion store. It's well known in the marketplace, so people are going to be knowing that this is not a scam. They're going to know that this is not a scam. Forever 21 is the big deal, and if they're going to be willing to enter their email, you're going to be getting paid $240. So I'm going to be explaining the 2 types of influencers we can use. Okay, we can use a personal account or a fan page. Okay, and the difference between a personal account and a fan page is that a personal account is literally an influencer like this, okay? They post pictures of themselves, okay, just like this. This is a real person, okay? This is a real person, and they post pictures of themselves, okay? As you can see here. So this is a personal account. And guys, personal accounts, ad copy, ads, okay? So if this personal account is going to be always more expensive than a fan page, okay? Because that's just how it is. Personal accounts charge more for a shout out than a fan page. Okay, I'm going to show you right now what a fan page is. Beauty. Let's see this. And this is a fan page, okay? This is a terrible example. Beauty or makeup. Let's do makeup. Okay, as you can see, this is a fan page. It literally posts multiple different videos, pictures, makeup tutorials, all of that good stuff. Okay, so these people on the pictures don't own this page. Okay, so this is a fan page, and the reason why fan pages are gonna be cheaper is because that's what the main reason of these influencers are, to sell shoutouts. Okay, and that's where they're always going to be more expensive. Always going to be cheaper than personal accounts. Okay, So personal accounts are real people, and fan pages are basically images just grabbed across the internet, and they literally just posted them on their own Instagram account. Some of these went viral. As you can see here, this has 85k views, 457k, and all that good. Okay, so let's get into my Word dashboard. I'm going to show you exactly how many influencers I tested, the sizes, and how much I made, and how much I paid. Okay, so the total spent was $505. Okay, so I spent $505 to pay influencers. I made about 535 conversions, and that made me $1,284. Okay, obviously the profit is $780, which is, guys, I'm so thankful to be in this position I am right now. Okay, so guys, make sure to grab my course, because a lot of people are making big money with these strategies, not just with drop shipping, but also with affiliate, CPA marketing, and so on. Okay, so guys, bear in mind, not only drop shippers make money with influencers. Okay, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing works very, very well. Okay, even ClickBank works with influencers. So the first thing I did is I gathered, I messaged about 20 influencers, big, small, huge, tiny. I messaged them all, okay, influencers in my niche, and I waited till about 10 got back to me, okay. And out of 10 influencers, I chose the smaller ones, okay. At first I chose the 18.9k personal account, which I paid $15 for. This was a pretty good deal, okay. Since this account was pretty small, she basically was very generous, and she said that she's gonna give me my first time a swipe up for $15, and future business she's gonna do 20 to 25. Okay, so she was a lovely lady, and she gave it to me for $15. I believe it was a 6-hour swipe up. Okay, this exact ad. I'm not going to be showing exactly what influencers I used, because I don't want to give away the whole entire campaign to you guys. Okay, I want you to put in the work as well. Okay, because nobody is going to give you so much information for free. Okay, you're going to have to pay for it, or you have to learn it yourself. Okay, and the fast way to do it is to pay for it, to hire a mentor like me, or to purchase a course, purchase my course, for example. Okay, so I tested 2 influencers. 18.9k I paid $15, and 8k I paid $10. Guys, this was just a test. I wanted to see if the ad was engaging, and it was. Okay, I got a lot of clicks, and I got a couple conversions. I believe out of those two, these 2 shout outs, I made about $50. Okay, so I made a little bit of profit. So I knew right now that this funnel of mine converts. So all I did was I reached out to bigger fan pages, okay, bigger influencers, and I basically posted all of these seven shout. Okay, so I posted these 2 first, okay. And an hour later, I posted the rest of these 7. Okay, so I literally paid all these influencers. I paid $400. I said, "Fuck it, let me just test this out. Let me spend $500 and see. Let's just see what happens." And guys, as you can see here, it turned out very well. I made $700 in pure profit. I believe I got about 5,000. I believe I got about 5,000 clicks to the offer. No. I got about 5,000 clicks to the landing page. Yes. 5,000 clicks to the landing page, and I got about 535 conversions out of those 5,000 clicks. Obviously, not all of those clicks were USA. A percentage of those clicks were obviously from different countries, since you cannot target specific countries with influencers. But it is what it is. I just wanted to, test this campaign, and it was very successful. So I'm going to be doing more of this stuff later on tomorrow. I'm going to be reaching out to more influencers, and I'm going to be scaling this campaign up. Okay, so I'm aiming to hit like 5k in profit just with this campaign. So I'm going to reach out to as many influencers as possible, and keep the ball rolling. Okay? So guys, if you haven't already taken my course, I'm going to be adding the entire step-by-step strategy to my course this weekend. Okay, it's probably going to be tomorrow or on Sunday. I'm going to be showing you exactly step-by-step how to find highly profitable influencers, how to be at the landing page, the ad copy, and so on. Okay, so make sure to hit that first link in the description. Grab my CPA marketing course. It's only $27. This is a steal, guys. I see so many different influencers charging YouTubers charging $200, $300, $500, and the course is worth like $5. Okay, but I truly packed my course with truly valuable content. Okay, so make sure to hit the first link in the description below. Get instant access right now and start making your very first campaign online and start driving those sales. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, comment what you think below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.